Step into the delightful world of homemade macarons, where the magic of baking meets the artistry of flavors. Gather your baking essentials: almond flour, powdered sugar, egg whites, granulated sugar, and a hint of food coloring to add a vibrant touch. Begin by sifting together the almond flour and powdered sugar. This crucial step ensures a silky and smooth texture for your macaron shells, setting the stage for an exquisite treat. In a separate bowl, whip up a meringue using egg whites and granulated sugar. Watch as the mixture transforms into glossy peaks, creating the foundation for the perfect macaron texture. This process is both science and art, resulting in a light and airy consistency. Combine the almond flour mixture with the meringue, gently folding to create a luscious batter. Add a touch of food coloring to infuse your macarons with a visually stunning appeal. This step allows you to unleash your creativity and customize your macarons to your liking. Pipe the batter into small, uniform circles on a baking sheet, allowing them to rest and form a skin. This crucial step ensures the iconic macaron feat during baking, contributing to their distinctive appearance. As the macarons bake, your kitchen will be filled with the irresistible aroma of sweet indulgence. Once they emerge from the oven with a delicate crunch and a chewy interior, let them cool before moving on to the filling. Now comes the fun part: pairing your macaron shells with a delightful filling. Choose from velvety ganache, fruity compote, or any other flavor that captures your imagination. Each bite promises a burst of flavors, showcasing your mastery of the enchanting macaron craft. Whether you're a seasoned baker or a newcomer to the world of macarons, this recipe invites you to revel in the joy of creating these exquisite treats. Share them with loved ones or savor them in quiet moments, because every macaron is a celebration of sweet elegance.